Can you hear him running?
Yeah, he's going.
Nice.
Yeah, that fucking go.
Take this. Oh yeah. Wow, dude. This could be a good size one. I don't think it's much of a fight, but it feels heavy. I think I know he's definitely on there.
Yeah. He was taking some line.
Oh yeah. Holy. Pull back on that one.
I got some fucking line.
Yeah.
Feels good size, dude.
Whoa!
Holy.
Holy fuck, dude! Wow! Holy fuck!
That's a big
Look at this! Holy fuck!
That thing's fucking wow. That thing's a monster, dude.
That thing is fucking humongous.
That is a monster, man. I bet this fish is gonna weigh 2, 3, 4 pounds, dude.
Dude, I bet you
2, 3, 4 pounds.
That's 4 or 5 pounds, 6 pounds. Holy fuck!
Where's those pliers?
Yeah, dude. Well, I can't pull that fucker out.
Launch that bitch out, kid. Wow, that's a good sized fish. Sure.
Holy fuck, man. That's fucking good size right there.
Yeah, that's a big beat.
They're getting bigger as they go.
Fuck that.
I don't need those pliers.
Where are those pliers?
They're in the fucking...
Are they? Oh, man.
Either that or you can fucking get another liter, but either way you're gonna go back.
Yeah. Oh, definitely.